course, you're not going to be able to fully experience these features if you have not updated your Bamboo app. So go to Play Store or App Store and check to see if your Bamboo app is updated or not. If it's not updated, I think you should update it. If you get the latest update, you'll be able to see the features that I'm going to be discussing in this video. So I'm going to start with the obvious one. They now brought referrals to the homepage of the app. So if you log into your Bamboo app now, you can actually see the referrals option. You can click on it and you see your referral link to refer your friends to Bamboo. Every time your friends install the Bamboo app and they sign up with your code, you pretty much get 2.5% from the money they use to make their first trade. So Bamboo is trying to encourage more people to send out their referral links or their referral codes and pretty much get their friends on the platform. And if you refer a friend and their transaction and everything is successful, they buy their first stock, you get 2.5% from that entire trading transaction. You can also now change your referral username. This is something you could not do before. For a very long time, I've been on the app for like 5 years. I haven't been able to change my username, but this is now something you can do. Although I don't intend to change my own username because it's pretty much everywhere now. But yes, you can now change your username on the Bamboo app and you can refer your friends. And if they sign up, you pretty much get a bonus, in case you didn't know this.